Mary, the plants are vital to the hummingbirds, and we've tried to plant as many as we can of the plants that attract the hummingbirds so that they can get their nectar. These right along here are called cuphea, and they look like little bat face. They're a bat face cuphea. They love those plants. They love the salvia, and also this is like a heather. It's a type of false heather plant. And the tall one here, there's a white one back here and a pink one over here, are Nicotiana. They love the Nicotiana. Any type of flower that looks like a little tube or a trumpet, we have honeysuckle vines here, and we have a trumpet vine, and they love any flower that looks like a little trumpet where they can stick their little beak in. And they even drink from the flowers that come, of course they're done now, the flowers on the hosta. They will drink from that flower that comes up from there. Some people cut them all off and they don't let them flower, but the hummingbirds love the flowers on the hosta. We have more of the one over there too, the more of the red salvia. They love the red. Anything red really attracts them. They love red. But we found also that the purple or the dark blue salvia seem to attract them. I've noticed they almost go more to the purple and the blue than they do the red, but they do go to both.
What is that beautiful orange plant there?
It's Tithonia is the name, or it's Mexican sunflower. And we've found the hummingbirds and the butterflies love that plant. In fact, the sign that's over there on the banner that's over on our gate, those are pictures I took in the hummingbird garden, and the one is of the hummingbird sitting on the Mexican sunflower.
So is that an annual or is that a perennial?
That's an annual. It comes up, we buy the little plant about that big, and it comes up. They're actually kind of small this year. Sometimes they grow even bigger than that.
Who helps you figure out what to plant?
We have a couple master gardeners that help us, and Master Gardener Sarah has helped us this year, and we've had other master gardeners over the year help. And Sarah, she drew up a map of everything, all the gardens, was able to tell us, she even told us where to go to get some of the plants, because we could get she knew which ones were the nicest plants. And then we also have the volunteers, a lot of volunteers that come and help us plant. So there's probably 10 different volunteers that will come during planting. And they will help water the plants, help come and weed. And this year we also had David Rice, who is a retired teacher from the Minnesota New Country School. And he lives right near here. And he has a little greenhouse, so he loves to propagate the plants, and he furnished us with a lot of them when we were losing them because of the flooding this year.
So then how do you raise the funds to do the hurrah and to purchase the plants?
We're a nonprofit, so we survive on donations, and a lot of the local businesses will donate to us, like the fire department, the local Lions, and some of the businesses, because we draw a lot of people to town. We also apply for grants, and whatever grants we get will help go back into the garden and help us with the National Ruby-throated Hummingbird Center to get that going.
What is that all about?
Okay, we decided to start this National Ruby-throated Hummingbird Center, which is in a building. It was a former church, and we're able to lease it from the city. The city bought it when it closed, and we're able to lease it with the option to purchase it. And we will have a gift shop in there. We'll have educational displays, a lot of children's activities in there where they can do art. And we'll be able to have a lot more educational programs with speakers and all the different, like Audubon, the Bluebird Recovery. They will come, and we'll be able to invite people to come. And there are other organizations that donate to us. Thrivent, they donate every year to us too. So.
And what is the plan for the opening for the Hummingbird Center?
It's a ways away yet. We have a lot of work. We have to get the building handicap accessible. There's a lot of changes that we want to do. We have to get all of our displays set up. So it's probably going to be a few months yet. And then there's a lot of landscaping around the church, which there'll be gardens there too. We will always keep this garden. This will always be the Hummingbird Garden, but we'll also have Hummingbird Gardens up there. And it's only about 2.5 blocks from here. Short little blocks. Henderson does not have very big blocks. So it's within walking distance.